Hello guys, so welcome to a new video. In front of me what you can actually see a 58 years old car. It's called SINGER GAZELLE. I couldn't say the name right, forgive me on that. This car is just crazy old, double the size of my age. It's basically owned by one of my mates' dad. He got this, so it's ULEZ compliant, free to go in the central. More than anything is pure classic. And there's a classic number plate that you can actually see. Very good shape for its age. I will go inside the interior in a second, but let me just show you the exterior. Outside, the paint work, well, I believe it's probably been hand painted, which you can see the drip. I mean, for its age, it's still in good shape. Bit of rust that somebody painted on top of it. Yeah, here's the car. Just wanted to show you in the channel, as you can see. Now let me see if I can jump in the car and show you the interior. Now this is the interior, pure red. Wooden dash, very nice for its age. It got some work to do, that's why you can see some tools inside, but that's okay. Here's the interior at the back. Wonderful looking car. I will see if I can hop on the driver's seat, and here it is what it's like from inside. But one thing I can tell you for sure, the feel is different. Like I'm in the seat, very soft. Visibility is okay, and one of the best thing, therefore I would say, is that, can you see that mirror? Yeah, the position of mirror there. I was first thinking, how can you even see it from there? Then I realized, you know what, it is actually possible. But yeah, proper retro style. Simple dials, as you can see, just got what you need. It's a choke, panel, lights, wiper, heater, ignition. Just simple stuff, nothing crazy. I mean, I could have shown you the startup of it, but I can't at the moment, the battery is dead. This is the car really. A little video on this Singer 1964. Wanted to share it with you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you have, just do give it a little thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, just make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you for next time. Goodbye.